Have we discovered our favourite free camp in Western Australia? We think we have. Watch this episode and find out why.
This looks like a highway compared to the other track we were on earlier today.
Yeah, corrugations aren't too bad either. It's okay.
Spoke a bit too soon about corrugations. They're pretty bad.
They are shocking. Yeah, really awful.
They're down to 25, but probably could have gone lower.
Yeah. Our first morning at James Price Point. We got a whale of a welcome. That noise is the whale slapping the water and leaping out. Incredible.
Crazy. This is crazy. Just rolled right over the barrel.
Oh. So this is the northern section of the James Price Point campground. You can actually camp all along there. It's huge. You can actually see that road leading down to this campsite. It's wide and smooth. There's a bit of an incline, but it is super easy. Also camp right on the other side, right up by the water. How amazing is this?
I reckon this is the reddest sand I've ever seen. We've heard of this place before. A few people have mentioned it on our travels, just as we were meeting people along the way. And we almost skipped it just because we weren't sure how it would fit in with our quick dash to Dampier Peninsula. And on the way back, we decided, why not? We'll check it out. Must be good if people are talking about it. And yeah, so this is it.
It is pretty phenomenal. The place itself is massive. It's all free camping. I can't believe the size of it. Hopefully you'll see it on the footage, but you can just camp all along the cliff faces. There's a lot more limited camping along the cliff faces where we are, but down here, all along what you can see behind us, all along that top edge, that's all camping, is basically, as far as I'm pointing, all along there. And then also at the back, all along there, and then right through the centre. I mean, I can't imagine the place ever being full, but I mean, I don't know how busy it gets, but it is so beautiful. And you can hear the water there. Just the tide comes right into where we're standing now. It's out quite far at the moment, so we can walk all along the soft sand. I was walking out there this morning as well and saw all those cute little crabs, and because all the tide had receded, they were all scurrying away. They do not like company, those things. They're rather shy. But just here, it's just the way the light bounces off the water and the colours. The colours!
Oh, literally where the red meets the blue, huh? It's, yeah, postcard stuff. Green is pretty stark around, well, actually no, the red is stark against the green.
Even just the waterfront itself. I mean, you think the cliffs are where it's at, and it is, but the water and the coastline. Just an incredibly magic spot. So we finally caved and got ourselves an air fryer. We have heard really good things, and we decided, you know, we're just going to buy it. Unpopular opinion and an unpopular move possibly. We sold the Weber. So we sold the Weber to pay for the new air fryer and to reduce weight and room and all the compromises that living on the road require. So this is the first pizza. We've cooked, when we first got a couple of days ago, and the first thing we did was a baked potato. It was delicious. Alrighty. Pizza number one. Another really cool thing is you've got a light. You get to see everything that's happening inside as it's happening. I love that. Oh no! This is proof of how long it's been since we actually made a pizza. I forgot to put cheese on it. That's ridiculous. Take two. James Price Point. A lot of the things online that I've read and seen have all been about just these striking red cliffs, and rightly so. It is incredible. But for us, it is all about the tides. I am walking out in low tide along the rocks. Sergey is still the master of hurting himself when filming. If you've been following us for a while, you'll know what I'm talking about. I really don't want that crown. He can keep that crown. It is a little treacherous out here with the rocks, but I'm braving it. As you can see, it goes on for quite a while. Sitting in camp, watching this landscape turn into a seascape, it's just been mesmerising. And when the tide goes out, the sea breeze brings in that fresh, tangy scent of seaweed, not overpowering, just a hint of it on the salty air. Oh, divine. It's a whole underwater ecosystem just brought up into the world a few times a day with the tides. Oh, it's bending my mind. It's time to bid farewell to this magnificent place. Join us next episode as we return to the wild expanse of the Pilbara.